is a public interest litigation in respect of the State Cancer Institute at Jabalpur. On the last date, Your Lordship had directed the presence of the officers. Both are
Principal
present today, the Principal Secretary as well as the
Yes, who is the Principal Secretary Medical Education?
Mr. Sandeep Yadav. He's here today, Your Lordship, please.
Namaskar, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, myself Sandeep Yadav, sir, PS Health.
Yes, what is the question? Why this amount of rupees 84 crore which was received in the year 2016 has not been consumed?
Sir, basically this sanction was done in year 2016, sir, and the civil work started after that. The building was handed over to us in January 2023, sir. 23 onwards, sir, the corporation had done the tender, sir, for LINAC as well as the city simulator, sir. But despite our efforts, sir, we could not get the tenders initially, and then again we got the tender for LINAC only and not for city simulator, sir. Without city simulator, sir, LINAC is not functional because ultimately where the
But 2-3 times tender was invited and thereafter cancelled. Why?
sir, it's a high-end machine, sir. Only 2 manufacturers of LINAC are there in the world, as per my
These
information.
bills are not coming. Why you should not go by that bill? It's a two, even a single one. Your duty is to publish, and if the other participants are not coming, then what to do? You will continue to take this money with you. Now, what is the question? Tender invited or not? Mr. Principal Secretary.
Sir, tender has been recalled, sir, and we have talked to the 2 manufacturer and vendors also, sir, and the tender opening date now is 29th of April, sir. So we are quite hopeful, sir, that this time will be successful, sir.
29th April.
Yes, sir.
Breakdown.
If I may be permitted to submit, Lordship.
Yes, please.
This bid opening date, the corporation has filed Lordship an application on 15th, Lordship, and they have brought on record, Lordship, certain documents on record. In my humble submission, Lordship, those documents are completely misleading, Lordship. If Lordship may peruse the specification of the machines which has been given in that tender, Lordship, that is totally altogether different from the specification for the purpose for which amount has been sanctioned by the state government, central government, Lordship. If Lordship may kindly come to the tender document. Firstly, Lordship, the corporation has filed on record Annexure A1, that is at page 13, Lordship. This is the proposal they have received from the
Annexure A1.
Annexure A1 filed by the corporation, Lordship, respondent number 5, along with their application for bringing facts and documents on record, Lordship.
This is document number 18.
17.
Are you talking about the document number 18? That 6407 of 2025.
17, document number 17, Your Lordship.
No, document is about 17. 17 or 18?
17, Your Lordship, document taken on record filed by the corporation. They say that, Your Lordship, annexure A1 at page 13.
Yes, Lordship. This is document number 17, Lordship.
17, yes. Which document you are referring?
Lordship, if Lordship would come to page number 13, Annexure A1, Lordship.
Page 13.
Here, the corporation is saying, Lordship, that they received proposal for purchasing certain machines from the this health education department. This is dated 3rd of October 2023. Now, Lordship, will find the table. About the table, Lordship, it has been stated, विषय अंतर्गत प्रदेश के चिकित्सा महाविद्यालयों में NMC मापदंड अनुसार चिकित्सीय उपकरणों की स्थापना की जानी है. This pertains to the equipment which has to be purchased for medical hospital, not for State Cancer Institute. And the LINAC machine and CT stimulator is at number 1 and 2 of the table, Lordship. This is for Bhopal and Indore Medical College, not for Jabalpur. So, and subsequently, if Lordship will.
No, Jabalpur also there the MRI machine.
No, that is not for as per the specification. It is not required for the State Cancer Institute.
Cancer के लिए दो है ना ये.
नहीं.
1 and 2.
No, that is for Bhopal and Indore Medical Colleges, Lordship, not for State Cancer Institute.
I understand that.
If Lordship, now the fresh.
Yes, Principal Secretary.
Now,
Mr. Yadav.
Sir, my humble submission is, sir, that for LINAC and other machines, sir, earlier we were trying to purchase it through, sir, central PSU, sir. Heights was the agency determined for this, sir. Actually, we started
No,
this process.
We are asking you because 4 machines are mentioned in the chart. 1 and 2 are for the cancer purposes. What about the 3 and 4?
Sir, I was just trying to explain that only, sir. That earlier, sir.
And this is also for in Bhopal and Indore, but not for Jabalpur.
Sir, that's what I'm trying to explain, sir. That we are trying to purchase Linac and City Simulator through Heights, sir, from 2021 itself, sir. So it was shifted to corporation in 2023, and that's why, sir, the tender itself, sir, on 29th Feb 2024, the Jabalpur Linac machines were added to the same tender, sir.
Where
Tender was extended, sir.
it is added.
Yes, sir.
And the
Have you filed affidavit to this effect?
If your lordship may kindly refer to the reference at synopsis that is uploaded on reference at serial number 5.
That is on reference.
That is on reference. We've uploaded it on reference, your lordship. This is a list of dates.
Reference there.
At serial number 5, your lordship.
Just a minute. Serial number 5, synopsis.
Ji.
Yes, please.
Serial number 5 at column number, point number 5, your lordship. This is dated 16th of February 2024.
Yes.
This is when on 29 to 2024 by way of corrigendum. 29 February 24 that it was added for Jabalpur State Cancer Institute as well.
Where it is mentioned that Jabalpur?
The document, your lordship, is has it been uploaded? The document is available with us, your lordship, although it has not been uploaded on the ERP. We'll do it immediately. The scope was added for Jabalpur, your lordship. I'll get this uploaded immediately. It provides, your lordship, if I may read point number 5, उक्त जारी निविदा के अंतर्गत संभावित निविदाकारों द्वारा प्रेषित प्रीबिड आपत्तियों का निराकरण प्रपत्र दिनांक 16/2/24 को वेबसाइट एवं पोर्टल पर अपलोड किया गया। तत्पश्चात संभावित निविदाकारों द्वारा पुनः निविदा कंडिकाओं एवं तकनीकी स्पेसिफिकेशन के विरुद्ध आपत्तियां प्रेषित की गई, जिसका निराकरण कर कॉरिजेंडम नंबर 7, which is 29/2/2024, which is relevant to this State Cancer Institute Jabalpur वेबसाइट एवं पोर्टल पर अपलोड किए गए। Now, your lordship, the technical bid of the new tender is about to be opened on 29th of April 2024. This list of dates, your lordship, is of the thrice. In fact, the tenders were initially floated, and why? Due to technical reasons, and several times these. In fact, the city simulator was also for which tender was issued. Multiple extensions were given, but there were no bidders, and the machines have to be purchased simultaneously. Because CT simulator is an imaging machine which takes a 3D image of the patient's of the targeted tumor, and Linac accelerator gives that high radiation energy, high radiation waves for targeting that tumor. So both are required to be purchased simultaneously. That, your lordship, we've also filed a status report on behalf of the state. Your lordship may kindly have it. Document number 18.
Just take note. White order dated 2nd April 2025. We have observed that in order dated 2nd April 2025, we have observed that since amount of rupees 80 crores which was received in the 2016 has not been utilized for the equivalent to be provided in the cancer hospital at Jabalpur. So, on perusal of the affidavit, wherein it is mentioned that 2 or 3 times the bid was invited, however, it was cancelled due to technical bid stop. Further, we have observed that 9 years have been passed until date. Amount has not been utilized, whereas the counsel for the respondent submitted that this hospital building was handed over in March 2023, and only thereafter equipment was to be supplied in the said center. So, since we were not satisfied with the affidavit, therefore we directed the Principal Secretary Medical Education Department to physically remain present with relevant report in the court and apply this for what was the reason to cancel the bid, and as to why requirement will be required for the culture hospital as for the provided in date. So, Mr. Yadav, what is your full name?
Sandeep Yadav, sir.
Sandeep Yadav. The principal secretary is present in court and submits. The earlier the bids were cancelled for the reason the participants were one or two. Therefore, we cancelled the bid, and now the technical bid tender has been allotted. Technical bid to be opened on 29th April 2024, and therein the equipment flash machines for the center of Jabalpur is also added. So he has assured the scope. This bid shall be honored. So, and we hereby, accordingly, we hereby direct the medical education department to open the bid on 29 April 2024 as informed this court, and in the said bid, the bid shall be finalized. We hereby make it clear that whether players in the said bid, 1, 2 or more, but the final decision shall be taken on opening the said bid. So, and for compliance, list is to make it May. In the week mentioned 5th May 2025 for compliance.
May I humbly submit, Your Lordship? The bids are required to be opened by the MP Public Health Service Corporation. So instead of the Medical Education Department, that may be
It is to be opened by,
through the procurement agency, which is the MP Public Health Service Corporation.
as I mentioned that one. Which is that respondent number is?
Correspondent number 5, Your Lordship. The MD is present here today as per directions of this honorable.
Respondent number 5. Acha, MD is also present.
Yes.
The managing director, Madhya Pradesh Public Health Service Corporation, is also present. And he has assured that the technical bid shall be opened and finalized on 29th April 2020. That's all. Next one.
Number 3.
Grateful.
Will I appear in this case?
Your Lordship, may I also, I'm sorry to interrupt, may I also submit, Your Lordship, that their presence may not be required on the next day?
Yes, there will be presence of the two officers named above, is dispensed with, will further order.
Grateful.